So we are in the town of Avalon on Catalina Island. We came on that ship, the Navigator of the Seas. There's the casino. We walked out there. You can see that in another video. I'm just gonna walk down the middle of town here as much as I can and let you see the whole thing. This is the main drag, this street along the waterfront, the boardwalk, whatever you want to call it, in Catalina, in Avalon. There's a little bit of traffic, not much, and I think it may be blocked once we cross this next street. You know, they don't allow cars there. A lot of shops, a lot of restaurants, a lot of ice cream. Some of it's closed. It's already December and they're closed for the season. But for the most part, they're all open. And some were closed this morning, but they're open now, which is a little weird. But like that restaurant's closed. That bank is open though. The guys doing the pavers are open. Sunkissed is open. The ship is still there. The pier, turquoise. Did you call that turquoise? The pier? Okay. Lloyd's of Avalon. This is the place where we used to watch the saltwater taffy machines spin, but I don't see them in there anymore. Got this fountain. Oh, and it's decorated for Christmas. In fact, here's a Christmas tree. Wrigley Stage upcoming events. This must be the Wrigley Stage. I always wanted to be on stage. Where? Oh, on his seaplane. For instance, this is the Hotel McRae. I think it's closed for the season. And there's another hotel down there that said it was closed for the season. So it's about a half mile of shops, I would say. I mean, we've already walked more than halfway in the time I was making this video. El Galleon is open. Not many people in there though. Catalina Souvenir Shop looks closed. Wheezy's looks closed. And that's the way it goes. Catalina Island Surf Company, Buoys and Gulls Sportswear, Hotel Vista Del Mar. I don't know if it's closed. Steve's Steakhouse, Maggie's Blue Rose, and the Catalina Island Brew House. And they're all busy. Avalon Grill, it's closed, Janet says. And it's got a lot of reflections. Whoa, reflections. There's the pier. They sell tours out there. Glass bottom boat, semi-submersible, cheaper than on the ship. But you have to get over here and hope they have room. So there's a trade-off. Here's Scoops. They have frozen bananas. Yuck. Luau Larry's. Oh, that's a bar. Yachts for sale. There's a beach here and a beach back there. Let's walk out on the sand a little bit. In the summer, this would be covered with towels and people. But, like I said, it's December already. So it's not covered with towels or people. Whoa, I went in a hole. A couple of places along there rent snorkeling gear, golf carts. Of course, that's the Tinder dock, the Tinder pier. so they go back and forth from the ship. And they have the tenders from here. We're not using lifeboats. Catalina Pottery and Tile Company is open, it looks like. It looks like they sell clothes. Island threads. We're going to go up a little bit further here. What was that? Sounds like something broke. Just thought you might want to see this. So that's the way to the tender dock. It's just right there. And here's boards. And I'm guessing this is a golf cart rental place. I know there are some over there, more restaurants and shops. And whatever. So, from Avalon, oh, Wrigley Mansion. This is Gareth saying. And Janet. Port Monkey's out. I hope you heard that. Bye.